You probably have already noticed that we love cucumber here. Do you like it too? Cucumber is found in most homes, and most of the time is a co-star in salads. Isn't it true? Many people find cucumbers tasteless and boring, but those who like them know how important they are for the body. Not to mention that cucumbers can also be used in many beauty treatments. Did you know? Cucumber is a vegetable rich in water, minerals, and antioxidants, so it helps hydrate the body and keeps the good functioning of the intestine. And besides its pulp, the peel and seeds can be eaten, and they are rich in fiber and beta-carotene, being good for eye, hair, and skin health. Lots of people ask if they can eat unpeeled cucumbers. You sure can. Just make sure to sanitize the peel very well and choose organic cucumbers whenever possible. Besides, did you know that the peel of a cucumber contains enzymes that aid in digestion? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. If you didn't know about these benefits, let's learn the main health benefits of cucumbers. Helps with weight loss because it is low in calories and gives a sensation of satiety. Contributes to intestinal transit since it contains fibers that help the intestine work properly. Keeps the body hydrated as it is made mainly of water. Improves skin, nail, eyes, and hair health thanks to its antioxidants and carotenoids. Aids in muscle health since it contains potassium and magnesium. And since they contain potassium, cucumbers also improve heart health. Improves blood circulation because it is low in fats and rich in water. Prevents cancer since it is rich in flavonoids and lignans, known as powerful antioxidants. Phew, that's a lot of benefits. Cucumber water also helps detox the body, keeping it hydrated and full of antioxidants. How to make cucumber water. To make cucumber water, slice 9 ounces of cucumber and add them to 34 ounces of water. Leave them soaking in the fridge overnight. The next day, drink all the water throughout the day. Repeat every day with fresh ingredients to get all these benefits we saw. So, did you like this recipe? Try cucumber water and tell us what you think. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.